Hey guys, it's Joel and Xavier back here with another video, and today we're going to be rebuilding the Orlando Magic. So yeah, let's get right to it. Um, yeah, so we got a decent team. I think I'll look to first I have to trade Fournier because he's got way too big of a contract for me to even consider keeping him. But I'll keep Vucevic, I think, even though he has a way bigger contract than he should have. But still, I'll keep him. I think he's worth it. Is that Batum? No, I can't take Batum's contract. Danny Green and Kyle Anderson. I like that trade. Okay, so I'll get Danny Green and Kyle Anderson for Evan Fournier, I guess. Can I do this? I don't Aaron Fournier. I want to throw Deron Hilliard. I guess that's better than the second, so I'll do that. Anyone else I really want to trade? I don't like Peyton. I've just never been a fan, so I'm going to trade Peyton. Hopefully I can get a better point guard in return, but I don't think I'm gonna. I can get Malcolm Brogdon. Okay, well that's a clear offer that I will try to come back and take. Beverly. Alright, let's take the deal. I'm also getting rid of DJ Augustine and his huge contract. And also now I have to get rid of Dover, but that's okay. Sean Kilpatrick? I like that deal. I feel like I can get Kilpatrick in every one of these rebuilds because I've had him basically every one so far, so. Yeah, I guess I'll get Nick Stauskas. Alright, now let's see, oh, I also have to get rid of what, Simmons? Yeah, get rid of Simmons. A 2-year deal. And T. Ross I'm going to have to get rid of. And Biombo for sure. On that huge deal. Yeah, that's it. That's all I have to get rid of. Walker and Baines. I'll do this one. Get a 1-year contract on Deadman. T. Ross. Gotta get rid of him. Oops. Oh, Danny Green has a player option? Oh, yeah. We're getting rid of Danny Green too, I guess. Actually, let me just see something. I want to get that Hawks first round pick. Can I just give you guys T. Ross? Oops. T. Ross to the Hawks for their first round pick. In 2019. What year is it? So that'll be this future first. Oh, that'll be next year's pick. Well, I know we're not going to make the lottery next year. We're going to be a playoff team at least. So, can we just do this? Alright, Danny Green in 2020, we get Malcolm Delaney. If I take that out, can we take that out? I'll do this. Alright, I'll do this. This one's better. Now let's go after that Bulls first round pick. Maybe like Denman or something. Paul Zipser. How about Cameron Payne? You guys definitely. Oh, you want him? Okay. Yeah, we get Zipser in like every deal. Like 2019 unprotected, and you want Sheldon Mack, and we have to take Robin Lopez. How about this? I'll do that. I have to do this. Okay, I'll do it because I can just simply swap him right now. Gotta get rid of Muscala. First, let's get rid of Lopez because not keeping that. For Vince Carter. Alright, oh, here you go. Devin Harris, perfect. Player of the year on him.